Hello folks, this review is about the drill made by Bosch. The model is GSB 18V 45. Now this model is made for professional line. As you can see, it made heavy duty. You may see the sign on the right side. Obviously the color, the blue dark, blue navy, it's obviously says that it's a professional instead of the green color of the brush. Now, what's interesting about this model, it's the price. The price currently for this video is about 50 euro, which I think it's enormously cheap for this kind of drill. Now, a quick review for the options of the drill. You can see there's three modes. The first one is for screwdriver. You have option from 1 till 20s. Now, the second option is a drill. You can drill a hole. Now you can see it with the first and the second speed. The first speed will give you up to 500 rpm, and the second G will give you till 1900 rpm. And the third options, which I find very interesting, is the hammer. Obviously, when you get 50 euros for the drill hammer, I think it's the best price you can find on the market. And with these hammer options, you can have like 27,000 BPM. Yes. Now about the screwdriver option, you have the first gear, as you may see here. You can get up to 45 Newton meters, and on the second gear, obviously, you can get around 21 Newton meters. Also, you have an LED light down here. Now, the best thing about this model, the Bosch, is the chuck. The chuck made from the metal. I think it's the best chuck you can ever find for this price within the market. Now, this part, the first one, and the second is made from the metal. Compared to the, for example, the DeWalt, you may see there is a plastic part for this chuck. Now, another interesting thing, for example, this model is made in September 23. You can see the QR code. QR code gives you a possibility to go straight to the website, the Bosch, and to get your 3-year free warranty. I think this is the best thing you can find. And obviously, this is the hint that you can define from the fake and the real one Bosch. And the reason for that, because there's a lot of fakes within the market. And the only difference is that you have a QR code, and also you have on the bottom, you can see there is another QR code, and this should be a serial number that gives you opportunity to register this model. Now, as I mentioned, the price for this model when this video was shot is 50 euros. Now, instead of this, you can also get the case. This is the case. I think it's quite huge. The case is quite huge. You can see it's made from plastic. This is the plastic. This is the plastic. You have a hole to lock down the locker if you want to, and I can tell you that the case is quite huge and it's big. Yeah, so for 50 euros, when you get the tool and the case, I think this is the best price on the market. Now about the drills, I would say that I will go for the Makita brand instead of any other. I think Makita and Mitaba, I think that they're the best. Now DeWalt, the drills are not so good. I think the metal is much more softer than the Makita you can find on the market. So if you can choose, just go for the Makita. I think they're the best. And don't forget about the chuck. The chuck gives you opportunity to use the drills from 1.5 mil till 13 mil. And I think this is the standard option on the market. So you can use the 13 mils as a standard option, yeah. And also, as I mentioned, you have the first and the second gear. Now the grips here, the black one is the rubber, and it's much more softer than the blue navy. It's a plastic made. Also, I should mention that the drill is made, the quality made is very good. And don't forget, this is the price. I mean, 50 euros is quite cheap for this this kind of. On the other hand, the disadvantage, I think, it's the power as a 45 Newton meter is not so much as you expect to. But I think for your day by day, something from DIY projects, so within your home, you can use it, I don't know, within, let's say, one per month, one per half year. So I think this is the best choice for you to take it and to use it. As I mentioned, the price is unbeatable within the market. Please comment below, what do you think about this model? Do you have any experience working with this model? And the model is Bosch GSB 18V 45. Please put the comments below. And have a nice day, guys. See you. Cheers.